The 2012 Mazda 2. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.